Hello everyone and welcome to Null to Full German. As you know that we are already done with the first topic of level C1, Modales Partizip. Today we will discuss about the second topic of level C1 and the topic for today's session is Modalitätsverben. So without wasting time, here we go. Modalitätsverben add a specific meaning or you can say modality to another verb which can be paraphrased or rewritten with the help of a modal verb or an adverb. It is the way like modal verbs do. In contrast to the modal verbs, the modality verbs require an infinitive with zu. The Habern connections, or you can say sentences with Habern, are paraphrased in active, while the sentences with sein are paraphrased in passive. In other words, you can say the infinitive with sein and Habern are accompanied by zu, which had already acquired the meaning of possibility and necessity. The direction of the future is indicated, that is the occurrence of an action, and the modality of possibility and necessity. With haben the infinitive denotes an active action, with sein it denotes a passive action. There is also a small list of verbs that have different meanings when used as main verbs compared to when used as modality verbs. Let's have a look at the list of Modalitätsverben. Nummer 1, haben. Nummer 2, sein. Nummer 3, nicht brauchen. Nummer 4, scheinen. Nummer 5, drohen. Nummer 6, pflegen. Nummer 7, gedenken. Nummer 8, verstehen. Nummer 9, wissen. Nummer 10, bleiben. Nummer 11, Vermögen. Nummer 12, versprechen. Let's have a look at the few examples with haben as Modalitätsverb. And first of all, let me tell you the structure of haben when it is used as Modalitätsverb. The basic structure is haben plus zu plus Infinitiv. The first example, das erste Beispiel. Du hast dich anständig zu benehmen. Du hast dich anständig zu benehmen. Now here we have used haben as Modalitätsverb. That's why we have here zu plus infinitive in the end of the sentence. Now in order to understand or comprehend this sentence, we need to paraphrase or rewrite this sentence. And how can we do that? Now let me tell you the meaning of haben when it is used as Modalitätsverb. So its meaning is müssen. Müssen, the modal verb. And what müssen talks about? It talks about necessity, compulsion. That means someone doesn't have any choice. For example, I have an exam tomorrow. I have to learn. I have to prepare for exam. Zum Beispiel, ich habe eine Prüfung morgen. Ich muss mich auf die Prüfung vorbereiten. Ich habe keine andere Wahl. So this is necessity. Haben as modality verb has the meaning of müssen. So let's paraphrase the sentence. Du hast dich anständig zu benehmen. And while paraphrasing, we have to pay attention to two things. We have to replace haben with müssen. Of course, we have to conjugate müssen. And additionally, we have to take zu out of the sentence. That means zu will be dropped. So the original sentence is Du hast dich anständig zu benehmen. And after paraphrasing, the sentence will be Du musst dich anständig benehmen. Do not forget to drop zu from the sentence, as while framing sentences with modal verbs, Su is not required. That is su plus infinitive. So the meaning of the original sentence is you have to behave yourself properly or decently. So the second example, das zweite Beispiel. Du hast die Gäste nicht in die Küche hereinzulassen. Now, in order to comprehend this sentence, we again need to paraphrase this sentence. And how will we do that? As I told you, the meaning of haben as Modalitätsverb is müssen. But here we have negation in the sentence. So that means you don't have to do. And if you don't have to do, if someone doesn't have to do anything, that means the person is not allowed. So we can say it has one more meaning, which is nicht dürfen. Here, based on the situation, the meaning is nicht dürfen. Let's replace haben with nicht dürfen. So we have to replace actually haben with dürfen, and negation we have to put according to the structure of the sentence. So the original sentence of haben as Modalitätsverb is Du hast die Gäste nicht in die Küche hereinzulassen. After paraphrasing, the sentence will be Du darfst die Gäste nicht in die Küche hereinlassen. So we have conjugated dürfen. Now since negation was already there in the original sentence, so it will remain there in the paraphrased sentence, or you can say rewritten sentence. So we do not have to additionally add negation here. So du darfst die Gäste nicht in die Küche hereinlassen. Now, what does this sentence mean? So the meaning of original sentence, you're not to let, or you're not allowed to let the guests come into the kitchen or enter into the kitchen. Let's have a look at the third example. Hier hat überhaupt nicht zu bestimmen. So die Bedeutung here, the meaning of haben here in this sentence based on the situation is können, and it can also be at times nicht können. So let's paraphrase this sentence. Hier kann überhaupt nichts bestimmen. Hier kann überhaupt nichts bestimmen. So the meaning is the English equivalent of the same is here he has absolutely nothing to decide, or he has absolutely nothing to decide here. So the meaning of the original sentence as Modalitätsverb is he actually has here nothing to decide. So I hope with these three examples with haben as Modalitätsverb, it would have cleared to you how you can actually frame the sentences using haben as Modalitätsverb, and how you can even comprehend the same sentence after paraphrasing or with the help of paraphrasing. So this was my first video on grammar topic Modalitätsverben level C1, and if you liked the video, then do subscribe to our channel for more useful videos both on learning German and on grammar topics level C1. And do not forget to click on the bell icon to get regular updates from null to full German without a miss. I look forward to your comments under this video. You are learning German with null to full German on YouTube, and I also look forward to seeing you in the next video. Auf ein baldiges Wiedersehen. Bis dann. Tschüss.